Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to be guessing my fidgets. I have a bunch of them, and at the end, we will be counting how many fidgets I got right and how many I got wrong, and then we'll count how many I have altogether. So, let's get started. So, first I have to bring you guys down from, I have like this tiny stand, so I have to bring you guys off of that so you can see the fidgets that I pour out. So let me just unhook. Okay, there we go. Now okay. Oh yeah, this is like perfect. You're like at the edge of my door. Yeah, I have like this whole setup because I am actually sick at home right now. And I was kind of bored, so yeah, I had to miss school today, so that's why I'm here, so right now. But anyways, let's dump these fidgets out. Woo! And it's the cone. Oh, why is my necklace in there? Okay, I have my best friend necklace. Because I have mine on. Mine's popcorn, and then I'm going to give this to my cousin. Hers is a burger. So let's put that back in there. I don't know why it's in there, honestly. Alright, so now I'm going to guess my square puppet. Yes. This actually is like my favorite puppet. I love the sound of it. Listen. You might not be able to hear this, but let me have you listen to the other side. Let me listen to the satisfying side. Ready? See, they're so good pops. I'm very happy I got that one right. My cherry mochi. Yes. See, they dropped it. My monkey noodle. Get down right. This one. My temple spinner. Yes, I got it right. Because obviously I could feel it because, it spins. So that's kind of easy. My train puppet. Yes, I got it. This is like my second favorite puppet. Listen. Now listen to this side, guys. Let me put it on hot surface. See, this is my blue stress ball. Easy. These fidgets are very easy to guess. I don't know why. I'm just really good at guessing fidgets. So they're falling. I have so many puppets. I want to get rid of some of them. My heart puppet. Yes. Get down. Okay, my Trumple Dumple. Yep. They're falling everywhere. My cupcake puppet. Yes. My snapper. Yes. My top two. Come on, fidgets. Why is hand sanitizer in here? Oh yeah, I was gonna give this to my cousin too. Okay. My goodness. My whale squishy. Yes, it smells so good. I love the smell of it. Only a couple more fidgets. I don't really know what to call this. Rubik's Cube thingy. Yeah. I'm gonna have to solve it. This is really not that hard to solve. Like, it's super easy. There we go. It's actually supposed to be like this. Sometimes I use it as a phone. Because it actually works. And then that's how I call it. And then hang up. My cat mochi and my avocado mochi. Yep, got it right. A snapper. Oh, my rainbow. I think it's rainbow because I think my rainbow unicorn is has really easy bubbles. So I think because I remember that it has really easy bubbles. So I think it's my rainbow unicorn. No, I got it wrong, guys. I thought it was my rainbow unicorn. Oh yeah, my rainbow unicorn is the one with the hard bubbles. I thought it was my pink one that was with the hard bubbles. No, guys, got it wrong. Goes over there in the wrong pile. Well, I obviously... My keychain flippy octopus. Yep. Come on. Ah, my fidget. I'm gonna pick this fidget that's all like here. My square, my lighter purple square puppet. Yes, I knew it. I have like so many puppets. I want to trade with someone, but I don't know who I can trade with because everyone is at school right now. So we'll get that right. So, my snail. Yes. Did I get that right? I'm just gonna try to guess them all, the rest of the fidgets all at the same time. So I have to go them all. Alright, so, hey, I already did this one. It's kind of weird. I don't know where it would be in there. My ice cream. Yes. My rainbow unicorn. Yes. My last snapper. Yep. My heart. What the heck is there hair on this? Ew. My other heart. Then my last thing is my zipper bracelet. Obviously, let me make sure we have nothing else. Make sure nothing got caught up in my blanket. I think we're good, guys. My blankets. Oh, we missed some. I missed the snapper, I guess. That's alright. That's only one fidget. Alright, so first let's count how many we got right. 1. I'm going to organize them while doing this. So 1. First, we're going to start off with foods. So 1. Now we're going to do animals. 2. Now I guess we're going to do shapes. 3, 4, 5. Maybe we should do shapes over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I guess we'll do like, I don't know what they're called. Now I lost count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. We're at 10, guys. Gonna have one of these and that then. So 10. I gotta get a different basket. This one has stuff. I know I have more of this. Yeah, this one right under my bed. Get all this stuff out of this. And if I need it, I'm sure. Dang it! I need one, a different one. Okay, guys, I will be right back when I find my one of my bands. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. I found this white one and it's like clean. So yeah, we started putting fidgets. So we were at 10 because we got 10 pockets, right? Now dimples. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait, I lost count, guys. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Lost count, guys. Gotta count again. It's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. We had 26 correct. Now we have this one that I got wrong. So then we got one wrong. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I have 29 fidgets. So I have 29 fidgets and I have 21 fidgets and I got 28 right and I got one wrong. So that's mostly the whole video. So if you guys enjoyed it, then go ahead and like and subscribe. If you guys would like to trade me, then you guys can comment down below. Okay? So comment down below if you would like to trade me and put in your phone numbers so that way I can call you and we can trade or text you. So, alright, bye.